Hey kids, Flexing Teacher Weber here. It's Tuesday morning. Hopefully you've corrected your last assignment ML 392, numbers 10 and 11. We're not going to do any new work today. We're just going to practice what we've already learned on solving multi-step equations. You've got to do some with multiplication and addition and subtraction, and division and addition and subtraction. I gave you a worksheet today that practices both of these. I'm going to do the first question on both the front and the back with you so that you have a good idea what to do on this assignment. So I'm going to flip over to my whiteboard. The first question on the front of that worksheet that I gave you today is 2x plus 5 equals 9. Now remember, you always find the variable. The variable is x. And you're always going to do the reverse of multiplication, reverse of order of operations. So you're going to start with the addition and subtraction that's beside the variable. Beside the variable, it's plus 5. So you're going to show minus 5. And if you do it on one side of the equal sign, you do it on the other. So minus 5 on the other side. Work out what's left. You still have 2x, or 2 multiplied by x. 5 minus 5 goes away, and you have an equal sign, and 9 minus 5 equals 4. So that's 2 multiplied by x equals 4. Now, a lot of people forget this part. It's 2 multiplied by x, so the opposite of multiply by 2 is to divide by 2. And if we do it to one side of the equal sign, we do it to the other side. Now, 2 divided by 2 gives me 1, and I still have the variable x. And 4 divided by 2 gives me 2. 1x equals 2. That's good enough. That's our final answer, but we also can just write it as x equals 2. Now on the worksheet, if you don't have enough room to show that on there, do it on loose leaf. Because you want to show your steps neatly and not smoosh everything together. You want to make sure it's very easy to see. On the back, all the questions are division questions with addition or subtraction. So the very first question on the back is 5 plus r divided by negative 2 equals 1. Find the variable r and start off with the addition and subtraction that's beside the variable. Beside the variable, it's a plus 5, right? So do the opposite of plus 5, which is minus 5. Do it to the other side of the equal sign as well, 1 minus 5. Okay, let's see what's left. 5 minus 5 goes away, so you're left with plus r divided by 2. Since it's a plus, we can just leave it as r divided by negative 2. Equal sign. 1 take away 5, or positive 1 negative 5 gives me negative 4. Okay, so this is r divided by negative 2 equals negative 4. So find the variable r and do the opposite of what's beside the variable. The opposite of divide by negative 2 is to multiply by negative 2. So show that multiplication up beside the variable, but use parentheses to show the multiplication, and do it beside the variable because it's like a fraction. You want to have the negative 2 on top, negative 2 on bottom, so they cancel out. Multiply that side by negative 2, and then multiply the other side by negative 2 using parentheses. Let's see what's left. Remember, even though we don't see it in front of that r, there is a 1, right? So on this side of the equal sign, we're left with 1r. On the other side of the equal sign, negative 4 times negative 2 equals positive 8. Or you can just write that as r equals 8. And we're done. So try the questions on both sides of that page. You're going to have 2 days to do this. It won't be due until Thursday. It's just still for practice. This isn't a test yet. And we'll correct it on Thursday, okay? Hope you have a couple good days. We're actually going to have keep going with equations and gradually building up with that. But take 2 days to do that. And I'll see you in your Teams meeting soon. We're going to try that out soon enough. Hopefully you've gotten the invite. Flexing Teacher Weber, out.